Question 8a part 2 is a very common question. We've just calculated that the specific heat capacity of water is 5,400 joules per kilogram per degree Celsius. And of course, this is much higher than the expected value, which I think is about 4,180 joules per kilogram degree Celsius. And the question is, why is that? Why is the value determined different and indeed higher? Well, it's determined that way. If we think about the formula and we rearranged it to C is equal to EH over m delta T, that would imply that if this is too big here, that means the amount of energy that we expected went into the water is too great. There's some of that energy is actually going into other things. This 21,600 joules didn't all go into the water. Some of it went other places. And so the key thing here is that heat energy has been lost. And it's very important to say where it's been lost to. You can simply say to the surroundings. You could also say, because the heater is slightly above the surface of the water, that it's also been lost to the air. You could even say that it's been lost to the beaker as well. But the key thing is, even though heat is going into this water, the water is constantly losing heat to the surroundings. And so heat energy is lost to the surroundings. It's important to say the word heat in this case.